Here I've got HUAWEI Nova 5T, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to find and select phone dialer, then go to contacts. Now it's time to choose the contact that you would like to change this profile picture in. Let me pick, for example, Ronnie, and then tap on edit. Now tap on the camera icon here, and you can either take a photo if somebody is staying just in front of you, or choose one from the gallery. So let me select the second option, choose some picture from your device. This one would be mine, and now you can personalize it. Tap on confirmation mark, and that's it. Confirm it by tapping on this icon one more time, and from now on, once Ronnie will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture. Here it is, it's connected with Ronnie. And that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily change photo in contact, how to add photo to a contact or change it whenever you want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.